What's up, y'all? Hey, got another little DIY tip of the day for y'all. How many of y'all has ever had a busted up door jamb? Can't get no screws in it. It's all boogered up. It's been kicked in. It's been chewed. Whatever. Whatever the problem may be. This one here was busted all along the seam. The hole right here was all messed up. I couldn't get no screws in it. So this is my deadbolt spot. So I'm going to demonstrate on my deadbolt spot what I done right here. What you do is you get you a paint stick, get you some wood glue. When I'm doing something like this, I like to try to get the most strongest wood glue I can find. And I'm not sponsored or anything, but this is my favorite. When it comes to wood glue, doing something like this. If I'm building furniture, no, I don't need that. But if I want durability, I get this. So take your paint stick, get your pair of pliers. Measure your spot. Don't have to be perfect. Stick it up there. Take your pliers. You can break these apart. Okay, now, we're just going to demonstrate. I'm not going to do it, but you'll put some glue all over your paint stick. Rub you some glue around inside of there, and you'll stick that inside the hole. Keep doing this until it's completely filled in. Now, you'll need to trim the excess off and re-drill your hole. You can pre-cut this and glue this if you want, if you don't have a lot of these tools to do this with. I don't do that because I got a hole saw right here. So this is my lock. I done put my paint sticks in there. So I would take now and I would line this up with my doorknob, my lock, and I will drill this hole back out. And now I have a fresh hole with good secure wood all around it that's not going to break, give way. I can re-sink screws into it. I take and nail tack this right here, put a little wood glue behind that because it was splintered off, and I'll take a little bit of caulk and putty and I'll fill all that in and smooth it all out and sand it up, and you just saved yourself a lot of money on a door jamb. Hey, to the next one. God bless. Have fun.